Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Kierra, and Kierra's here for a hair transplant this morning. Tell us a little bit about your story.
So I found out about Dr. Siegel after about 10 hours of searching. I came across a lady on YouTube who had her hair transplanted by Dr. Siegel, and so I was just like, I'm just going to go for it. I lost a lot of hair due to traction alopecia and hair loss from postpartum with my daughter. So just really here just to increase my self-confidence and my appearance like it was before the traction alopecia in my daughters.
Well, definitely excited for this procedure. You have about 2.5, 3 finger hair loss on both your left and right side, about 1.5 to 2 finger hair loss in the center, which we will show throughout the procedure. But let's go ahead and get started.
I'm excited.
So I'm here with Kierra, and we just got done drawing out your hairline. We haven't shaved anything yet, but pretty much took our time making sure that the hairline, we brought it down to a respectful level, back to her original hairline, looking for all the baby hairs. And we have our work cut out for us today, but she has beautiful hair to work with, so totally excited. Uneventful, correct?
Right.
Just straightforward, and I'm glad that you approve of the hairline.
Yeah, thank you.
Cool. Here I am with Kierra, and you just walked out of the procedure room. You had lunch. How was your day?
It was really good. You had a great team. It was a little rough at the beginning.
The anesthesia is always a little bit rough, I agree.
But after that, it was amazing. I'm glad, and I couldn't have asked for a better experience.
So let's go ahead and show off the area that we worked in. Really just focusing as tight of the edges that we can. Just really making sure that we get the most impact where you can go ahead and cover everything back beyond there. You have great quality hair. We had a great time cutting it. It's going to look amazing. I'll see you back here in 2 weeks to get the sutures removed.
Yep.
And any other suggestions for somebody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant?
I tell them to do it and come to Dr. Siegel.
Awesome. I'm done.